When an Xfinity router blinks green after a reset, there are several potential causes to consider. One possibility is a service outage, which can cause instability in the internet connection even after a reset. To confirm whether this is the issue, visit the website www.idm.xfinity.com to check for any outages in the area. If an outage is reported, it's best to wait for the professionals to resolve the issue. If no outage is found, the next step is to check the cables for looseness, ensuring they are securely fitted into the proper hardware, and consulting the service provider's manual if needed. An account issue may also be the cause, in which case logging into the account to check for outstanding balances and resolving any issues may resolve the blinking problem. Another potential cause is router overload, which can occur when too many devices are connected to the router. To address this, consider turning off the Wi-Fi connection for some devices and upgrading to a higher package to support more devices. If none of these solutions work, contacting support at www.xfinity.com may be necessary to resolve the issue.